First thing everyone gets to see is Kenny being an asshole. Alright guys, what's going on? So, my dumbass decided to wake us up at like 4 in the morning to go to a Cars and Coffee, and then we're going to maybe go to a test ride. So, we got Warbeard, Psycho Bobby, K6, and Erica. I think. Erica from Twitch. How far does it say? Huh? How far? 6 miles. Oh, let's do this. Vámonos. I want some coffee. I hope they have coffee shop there.
I mean, it is called a Cars and Coffee. So
I don't know. What?
Hot chocolate.
Hot coffee?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? You would want a hot chocolate.
Hey man, when's the last time you had hot chocolate?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time, right?
Yeah, it's been a long time since I've had some hot chocolate. I'm excited. This should be a fun day. Except waking up at 4 in the morning was a horrible idea. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. This ain't gloves.
Yeah, look at that.
Loser. You don't belong in our club.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize they matched the bike.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Alright guys, so like I said, yeah. We're headed over to Cars and Coffee. I got the beautiful Daytona out, and we're gonna get some coffee, maybe hot cocoa, like apparently. And then we're gonna go maybe do a test ride. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. Last time we tried to do a test ride, it didn't work out too well. Yeah, the bike looks good, huh? Hey, this is where they did the where my bike thing was. Yeah, I'm with you. Ooh, there are some nice fucking cars here. You might have to go around them. Jesus, that's fucking dope. That is dope. We're gonna park near the trash cans. hopefully you guys can hear me okay, but man, there are a lot of nice cars here. This place is definitely legit. It happens to be the same place that they released the Daytona, the 765. So when I first seen the Daytona, it was over here somewhere. So it's definitely a cool place. Been here once before. These are all the cars that are just on the inside. That's crazy, right? Look at that. So many cars here. That is so dope. Let's walk over here. Hey, look, battery tender. Oh, Thunderbird. That's so cool. Holy crap. There are some nice cars here. Shelby. This is Eleanor, right? That's what they call Eleanor?
Or is it just...
Is it? I don't know. We got Warbeard in action over here doing his vlogging thing. Doing coffee and everything. You look fancy. Pinkies up. This is the yeah. Well, hell yeah. Fortunately we made it. We actually made it on time this time. Remember last time we came with Mr. Fish? We tried to get the test ride. Remember in South Bay a couple years ago? That was a Yamaha test ride. We tried to get there and we got there late as shit. Yeah, but we were late. So, oh, there's the Nikon. That would be cool. I like both of those. Ask if there's a sign-up sheet. Is there a sign-up sheet?
Sign up inside.
Okay.
Sign up.
Okay. Well, let's go sign up.
Probably just like the R1, but like 14.
Yeah. Well, more mid-range and low-end. All right, guys. So we finished the test ride. I couldn't really record anything, but I mean, I got some footage, but I didn't get any talking. I couldn't get the audio working, but you guys got to see it. MT-09 was pretty dope, or MT-10. I liked it. That was a dangerous move. Riding the MT-10. Yeah. The tacos are calling me. Tacos is calling me. You're good? Oh, you son of a bitch. He fucking kills fish feet. They even got peace sign. That dude put the flag like a dick and pointed it at you. That was fucking great. You did deserve it though. I'll just say that. What? What? Yeah. That shit was hilarious. Is it recording? Alright guys, so unfortunately and fortunately, I got my tacos. They were delicious. They just cost me a little bit more than I should have. If you saw where we ended up parking, we ended up moving. And now, I got a $77 fucking parking ticket. Oops, sorry, go ahead. God damn. Alright guys, so the tacos were amazing, but I ended up getting screwed. What? Yeah. So we were parked here, and I got a ticket. I got a $77 parking ticket for being there, even though everybody was parked there. Apparently he ran down and gave me a fucking ticket. Ridiculous.